let's do a quick walking meditation. Let's take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth, sigh it out. Take a deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out. Now imagine you have root system and it's going deep into the earth. And then you've got your canopy of leaves open at the top because we're opening up to the energies that we're going to pick up. The positive, loving, divine energies that we're picking up on while we're here. And then we're just going to observe. We're going to observe what we see, what we feel, what we hear. And I know you're not here and you can't smell, but I want you to imagine you could smell. So you can smell the warmth of the sun on the dirt and the leaves and the trees. You could smell the tree bark. You could smell the tree leaves, the mustiness of the earth. Just imagine what that smells like. Observe the tree here and all of the branches. And it's fallen over. Imagine imagine the sun against your skin, and I'm sweating on my lip. Hear the squirrel that just crossed the trail there. His little tail, little fluffy tail, whipping in the wind. Examine the plant here and the little flowers that are blooming and dying. We go through the process of sprouting out and blooming and then dying to be reborn again. Part of the cycle. The manzanita tree here. How beautiful it is. Hear the wind in the trees up here. The wind is blowing through the tips of the trees, so it has like a whoosh sound. Feel the coolness of the shade and the dryness of the grass here. And yet there's some green foliage here. Like some of this is drying out and some of it's just still full of life. Feel the rocks beneath your feet. Hear it crunch. And that actually looks like maybe even animal fur. Maybe a deer. And then notice the vine growing up the tree. It needs some support to grow taller because it's too thin to do it on its own. I heard a frog. There's a butterfly over there if you can see it. It's a black butterfly. It has circle spots. There's some pretty yellow flowers, and there was a shadow of the butterfly coming our way. I want to say thank you, angels, for making your presence known to us. And look at these pretty things. I don't know the names of the plants, but they're purple. And those are pretty. Even though they look dry, they're still beautiful. No matter what you've been through, no matter what, you're beautiful. And everything serves a purpose, including you. Now over here it's a bit warmer because there's no shade. Feels about, I'd say about 90 degrees. Look at this plant here. Excuse me. This plant here, the manzanita tree, looks like it's been burned. But look, see the brown? It's still alive. See the growth? There's still parts of it that are still alive. So like part of letting go is letting go of the parts that no longer serve us, like those dead parts, in order to let the new parts, the new growth, flourish. See, there's even growth up top there. And then behind us, I hear noises in the bushes. It's probably a little squirrel, or maybe even a rabbit. Some manzanita bushes growing. Just listen to how quiet it is. What do you see? What do you hear? There's an old root system that's still there. A tree that they cut down. There's a bunny over there. Squirrel. There's multiple paths that you can take. You can choose to go that way or go down that way. Which path would you choose? And be respectful of our Mother Nature. Like, I watch out for poison oak. And now I just want to show you something. So we were coming from the other way, and if I turn around and go back, notice how you can see things from a different perspective and a different angle. And I noticed that something's been eating this plant. There was some caterpillars here last time. And how everything is just from where we came, but it's looking at it from a different angle. So sometimes when we are trying to figure something out, we have to look at it from a different angle to see it from a different perspective. Or like this tree here, part of it has fallen off and fallen down here, but it let go what it no longer needed. So now it's going to continue to grow and thrive and grow upward. I don't have pants on, otherwise I would have went the other way. There's probably ticks and poison oak over there. Meaning I have shorts. I don't know if you can hear it, but the wind's in the tops of the trees again. So beautiful. Love always and forever. Bye for now.